University. Hi there, river adventurers. I'm Finny, and today I'm going to tell you all about my playful and furry friends, the otters. Otters are fascinating animals that love to swim, play, and have fun. Let's swim along and meet them now. Look, there's a family of otters. Otters are known for their playful behavior. They love to slide down muddy banks, chase each other, and even play with rocks. Did you know that otters are some of the best swimmers in the animal kingdom? Otters have webbed feet and long streamlined bodies that make them excellent swimmers. They use their tails to steer and their feet to paddle. They can swim up to 6 miles per hour. That's pretty fast for a furry little creature. Check this out. Otters are really smart and use tools to help them eat. They love to eat clams, mussels, and other shellfish. They use rocks to crack open the shells and get to the tasty meat inside. It's like having their very own toolkit. Look at this adorable sight. Otter moms are very caring and protective. They carry their babies, called pups, on their bellies to keep them safe and warm. Pups learn how to swim and hunt by watching their moms. It's like going to otter school. Otters have a cute way of staying together in the water. They hold hands. This is called rafting. It helps them stay close and not drift apart while they're sleeping or resting. Isn't that sweet? Otters spend a lot of time grooming their fur to keep it clean and waterproof. Their fur is very thick and dense, which helps keep them warm in cold water. They have the thickest fur of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch. Otters are also great builders. They make cozy homes called dens, or holts, along the riverbanks. These dens have multiple entrances, including underwater ones, so they can come and go easily. It's like having a secret hideout. Wow! We learned so much about otters today. From their playful nature and swimming skills to their clever tool use in caring families, otters are truly amazing animals. Thanks for joining me on this river adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you next time for more exciting discoveries. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.